In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Wix account. Now, losing access to your account can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk through this process together, and if you follow these steps, you'll be back in no time. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix.com sign-up page. This may sound like an odd first step, but it's necessary to reach the recovery options. Once you're on the page, take a look around and you'll notice the usual fields for entering your information to log in or create an account. What we're interested in, though, is a little link, usually placed below the login fields. Forgot email? Click on that, and it will lead you to the next stage of account recovery. Now that you've clicked on Forgot email, you'll be presented with several options. Be sure to select the one labeled Forget my password and login email. Recover my account. This option is specifically designed for situations where you might not recall either the email or password associated with your account. Once you've made that selection, the site will ask for some information to help verify your identity. Next, you'll need to confirm what type of site you have, whether it's a premium or a free one. This distinction is important as it could affect the level of support Wix provides throughout this process. Take a moment to think it over if you're unsure. If you have a payment history with Wix, that would generally indicate a premium account. After confirming your site type, the next step is crucial. You'll be asked to provide some essential account details. This includes your full name, a new contact email address, your website address, and a phone number. It's important to ensure that all the details you provide are accurate. Once you've carefully filled out this information, go ahead and click Next to proceed. At this point, Wix might request an additional step: uploading a form of ID. This is just to ensure that the request to recover the account is authentic and coming from you. If asked, fill out the required information and submit the necessary documents promptly. Once all the information has been provided, Wix will review your request. This is usually a quick process, but the exact time may vary based on their current queue. Keep an eye on your email because if they need any more details, they'll reach out to you via the contact email you provided. Stay patient. As long as your information matches their records, they'll help you regain access as soon as possible. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to recovering your Wix account seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this guide has been helpful for you.